Look at our. We mentioned the yardage in the air helping them means a little bit more of a rushing game for the Lions. But 3 turnovers in the first half, something that you didn't come into this game expecting to see, certainly from a Patriots standpoint.
Yeah, they only have the 1, but the 2 from the Lions, like I said earlier,
The results in 2. For the latest in fantasy